Hi Kriti. Hello, welcome. Hi.
Hello.
Hi Rashmika. Hello. Hi.
एक सेकेंड, ये दो हीरोइन हम लोग नाम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बोला नहीं बोला, अब तक नहीं बोला. But guys, all of you, अरे हम फोटो दे देंगे भाई, फोटो दे देंगे.
किधर नहीं जा रहे हैं आपको फोटो?
यहीं पे हैं, बात तो सुन लो. सबसे पहले all of you, welcome to my song launch, guys.
You mean my song launch?
No, I mean my song launch. Actually, song आज मेरा वाला launch हो रहा है. इसका सिर्फ दिल रखने के लिए हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh, no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it. So I think they're doing you a favor to keep you cushy.
To keep me happy. Baby, I've done some 7 films with Mad Dog. This is my 8th. I don't think they need to keep me happy at all. I'm very happy.
Oh, no, but you know, after the box office numbers of Chhava, I think the favoritism has changed a bit.
I just got in, and I just want to say, ऐसे आज तक किसी ने डीनो सर के साथ बात नहीं की बेटा. I just want to say that welcome to my songs launch.
Hello, excuse me.
Excuse me?
You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also
Yeah,
in.
I mean our song.
Yeah, you're
launch.
also in one.
Okay, you know
But
what?
I'm in both.
No, but tell us which song is your favorite?
Yeah. And who is your favorite?
Who
देखो,
is your
क्या
favorite?
है that usually ना मैं अपनी सारी पिक्चरें पहले ही देख लेता हूँ, but मुझे इस बार कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं गया है. So I think this is a question that only one man can answer. Dino,
No, I think you need to
Dino,
choose.
you must answer.
You need to
No,
choose.
Shahid, you need to choose.
You have to choose.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. With these two beautiful ladies next to me, मुझे लगता है आप सबको दिखा दो और उनको कौन सा बेटर लग रहा है, कौन सा पहले डालना है. I think let everybody decide ना, because
आप लोग डिसाइड करोगे कौन सा गाना लॉन्च होना चाहिए. पक्का. हाँ.
पहले कौन से दिखाएं?
अभी इस पे मत झगड़ा करो. हाँ.
नहीं देखो सीनियोरिटी वाइज इसकी 8 पिक्चरें हो चुकी है, तो पहला गाना तो इसका दिखा देना.
चलो ठीक है.
The senior is calling me a senior.
नहीं
Nice, huh?
इन मैडक तेरा सीनियर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay, wait. Should we start with Jab Talak?
Yes. Rashmika's song. Should we do Rashmika's song? Yes.
I love how you're still not taking Shahid's name.
Should we take Shahid's name? अगर आप लोग लेते हो तो फिर आप लोग ले सकते हो.
Of course.
It's Shahid and Rashmika's song and Shahid and Kriti's song. अभी शाहिद और कृति का गाना आप लोगों ने देख लिया. Yes. Now we'll move on to the next song and we have to decide now, guys. ये बहुत tough है. मैंने दोनों देखा, ये बहुत tough है. मेरा भेजा खराब हो गया. Now you have to see. Big round of applause now for the next song with Shahid and Rashmika.
Woohoo! I loved what you said about chemistry.
सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you have
बताना
to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. And that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah, like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, you know, after takes there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was. Like magical, and thank you,
but
Shahid.
I
You're
have to say because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it?
love it.
Huh?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. No!
Guys, this is the team behind Cocktail 2. शायद Shahid, can I ask you a question? Could we, while the votes are being counted, now you have two beautiful co-actresses. आप chemistry के बारे में बात कर रहे थे.
Although they have not so many scenes without me, so maybe
Okay.
I'm the reason why they have the amazing chemistry. It passes from one to me to the other and then back, and we're just flowing in
Amazing.
that soup of chemistry. That's what
Okay.
Cocktail 2 is all about.
No, we've said enough, no?
You said enough.
I think we've said enough.
Are we ready
No, I
for-
can say one thing that a big, I think the soul of Cocktails actually, Pritam, because I don't think I enjoy doing music with as much as I enjoy doing with him. We are also quite crazy because everything gets delayed, not because of him, but because of us. But I really feel that I wanted to push sound on this film, and I think Pritam has been instrumental in doing that. So this is a very, very new album. And one of the biggest victories for me is my first film was directed by Homi Adajania. And 20 years later, Cocktail 2 is being directed by the same gentleman. So I think,
Shahid, what are you most excited for people to see?
I'll take both.
To see in the film?
Yes, which
Okay, let me just say that the most fun I had was working with Homi,
right?
and what Homi made the three of us do.
Yeah.
Because I feel that I haven't done something like this in a very long time.
Of course.
And I didn't know what to do when I came on this film. I actually said yes to the film even before hearing the story of it, because
Wow.
I really enjoyed his work and I loved the cast that they had put together. And I knew the sense of the film. And of course, me and Love met and he took me through the film. And then Homi's interpretation of the same script was so interesting to see how it was written and how I read it and how he saw it. And then what he made us do with it. And I always look to do something original and different. And I must say that I feel that Homi made me do something I didn't expect that I will do. And I think the way he made me and Kriti as characters come across, and then of course me and Rashmika for the first time, I had a blast on this film. I've loved every day on this set. I've had so much fun with everybody here who was on that set. And I think eventually that energy always shows in a film. And Cocktail 2 needs to be that. You know, you can't force that energy on a film. I'm guessing the first one also happened for the same reasons. Some things are just inherent and natural, and Homi just brings that out in everybody. So my takeaway from this film is the time I spent with him and what he did with the three of us.
Lovely.
Thank
For me, that was a really nice thing that he said about.
Beautiful
everything.
thing.
Yeah, that was very
Yeah.
nice. What do you guys have to say about Homi as a director?
No, enough. Yeah.
Let's just hear only good things about you.
I think you all should say, like, spill some beans now.
Yeah.
Okay,
He's a real asshole.
Let's swang it.
It's a schwanger, yeah.
No, to be
चल
honest.
other votes in. No, bas.
No, मैं इतनी कथा नहीं बोलूँगी. I can say. He really wants to go back home or what? No, he's not shy. He's sleepy. No, but to be honest, I think what Shahid just said, like we've just had a lot of fun, and he's captured it. He used to always just ask us to, just be, like just have fun, just be, and He used to tell me, don't think so much, and just be. And just have a hop and a skimp and a jump in your step. Yeah. But I think you bring that energy, Homi. I think we've had a blast, and like you said, even in Mashuka, we didn't know when the camera was rolling, and the way you shoot anything, I don't think we even imagine it to look that beautiful. And I think Cocktail
You guys
1,
look that beautiful, yeah. You guys
Oh,
look that
guys,
beautiful.
come on. और तो बनता है यार. Oh.
Now since we're done like kissing each other, let's move on.
Oh.
Oh God, no.
No?
No.
Wait, let me be nice. Yeah, tomorrow, Japan. Okay, no, but first, for me though, definitely guys, this has been something extremely different, and I was surprised that I could do something like this, and this is only because of Homester. Homi. Why, we're so used to calling you Homester, is that? I know, but we're so used to calling him Homester. But genuinely, like, I don't know if I'll be able to do a film like this again. I don't know if me in this film is definitely the best I could have, ever portrayed Diya. But I've truly had fun. I've had a blast. It's super late in the night, and I understand all of us want to go have dinner and go to bed. But Homester, thank you. We love you.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Okay, now there's an actual vote here.
Yeah. Back to the song.
Yeah,
So
back-
I want it so that ये एकदम genuine है. There are 144 votes. Okay, so we want one person from you. Who was screaming Jab Talak, Jab Talak? Who was that guy? चलो आप लोग एक बंदा नॉमिनेट करके भेजो, वही पढ़े. Exact vote with the live के ऐसा नहीं लगे हमने रिक किया है. Why don't you come? Come. Yo, किसी को भी भेजो यार, कौन आएगा?
आजा भाई, आजा 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 आजा.
अच्छा पीछे से आ जाओ, कोई तुम लोग को फोटो चाहिए. अरे ओपन दिस, लॉक हो गया. No, I won't read. Come, you come read it. आ जाओ, come. You come. Come. Where's the phone? Open it. Give it to him.
I think we should honor the votes. sorry.
Dada, you're so cheap.
I think, but
Guys,
what
guarantee
we
वो
can do-
20 लोग मेरे नहीं थे, वो दादा के थे.
दादा आपने बोला you have no favorites.
अरे नहीं, you all launch whatever you want to. मेरे ऊपर मत डालो. No, I don't know any solution of this. I think हम लोग एक गाना अभी लॉन्च करके और इमीडिएटली और एक गाना लॉन्च कर सकते हैं, या एक साथ. आई डोंट यूनिवर्सल मार्केटिंग में लग रही है और नॉट इतना क्लोज गाना दो लॉन्च हो सकते कि नहीं.
दादा दोनों एक साथ कर देते हैं ना.
हाँ,
दोनों एक साथ कर देते हैं.
दादा देखो एक्चुअली क्या हो गया है, इन लोगों ने दोनों गाने रिकॉर्ड कर लिए हैं.
हाँ.
तो अभी वो रॉन्ग मिक्स विथ डाउनग्रेडेड विजुअल्स.
Guys, come on, big round of applause, guys. Talia, guys, come on. This is the cast. And they've given you both songs.